Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add keyframe on Canva. Alright, so let's begin. Today I'm going to show you how to simulate keyframes in Canva. Even though Canva doesn't have traditional animation keyframes like advanced video editing tools, by the end of this tutorial you'll be able to create simple, smooth animations that really bring your designs to life. Let's get started. First, open up Canva in your browser or desktop app. Once you're in, click on the Create a Design button and choose Presentation. This format works perfectly because it gives you multiple slides which we'll use like animation frames. Next, add the element you want to animate. This could be text, an image, a shape, or even your logo. Place it somewhere on your first slide. This will be your starting position. For example, you might place a star on the left side of the screen if you want it to move across. Now here's where the keyframe effect comes in. Duplicate your slide using the duplicate page icon. On the second slide, select your element and move it slightly, maybe a little to the right or upward. This small movement represents the next frame in your animation. Repeat this process. Duplicate the slide again and move the element a bit further each time. Think of each slide as a frame in a flipbook. The smaller and smoother your movements between slides, the more natural the animation will look. Don't worry if it feels repetitive, that's part of the process. Then simply click on this icon to add transition. Make sure to add the transition that looks smoother. The more frames you add, the smoother your animation will be. Once you're done, click present and quickly move through your slides. You'll see your element appear to move across the screen, just like an animation. That's your simulated keyframe effect in Canva. It's a simple but powerful trick to make your presentations, social posts, or designs more engaging. And that's it. This is how you can add keyframe on Canva. That's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.